Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. And we took a little trip to Five Below, so I just wanted to share with you the things that we found. And we went there on the pretense of grabbing a few kind of birthday gifts for Connor. I did let him pick out a few. This is on his own accord. These are things that he found. I did have one other thing in mind. I'll show that one, what I went in there for. But everything else he picked up. And he did get one of those little stress balls that have the glitter in them and stuff too, but he already took off with that. Picked up one of these snub nose cap guns and the little cap rings to go with that. This was $2. These were $2.50. He also grabbed a silly putty for $1. Okay, and I found this for him, which I thought that he would love this because he loves Play-Doh and he loves slime. And this is Play-Doh slime. I'd never seen this at Walmart before. But it's a 3-pack. And here's like a neon yellow, a blue, and a purple. They had this in another set of colors as well. But I thought this was kind of intriguing. And I thought that he would probably really love this. And I believe this was $4. And the item that I went in for him is headphones. These are from Bass Jacks, and the kid ones are a little too low. Like, they're so low you can barely hear anything in them because he recently got the Spider-Man ones. But for his birthday, I wanted to get him a different pair, and Five Below just has the greatest deals on headphones. So he picked this pair out. I knew we were getting headphones, but these are the ones he picked out. And they're the glow-in-the-dark ones. Those are all birthday gifts. Plus, I got him a bunch of other little random things at Walmart. Pretty much birthday shopping is done. And I did find a couple cute things for myself there. They have so many cute things at Five Below. And I did find a palette in there that looked like it could dupe the Anastasia Sunrise palette, I think. But I have enough palettes right now, and I am so backed up in tutorials and stuff I need to film with things that I've hauled that we're going to pump the brakes a little bit there. But I did find this really cute oversized makeup bag, and it says Pretty Little Things. It's white with this rose gold pink writing in cursive. This was $5. It's by the brand Jade and Deer. And I just love how spacious this thing is. It's huge. I don't know what I'm going to put in this yet. I don't even know if I'm going to put makeup in here. But I'm excited to have it. And one thing that I did grab that I did go in there for the intention of grabbing for myself is one of these brush holders. And I thought about getting two, but I think I just need one for now. And I got the one that said Just Lash Out. I like the one with the wing saying on it too. It was really, really cute and nice. Food safe, you guys. Anyways, so 4 brushes, that, and a surprise find, just like the makeup bag. I always kind of glance over their perfumes. I never usually pick up one. I've only been a few times, but today I saw they had a Ralph Lauren Romance dupe. They didn't have a tester for this, so I bought this on a whim. And I can tell you that this is very similar to Ralph Lauren's Romance because I do own that one. This smells so good. And I was at the bottom of my bottle, so I was kind of, you know. And I found this for $5. Smells so good. So sweet and girly. Bottle looks like this. Very cute packaging too. Very similar to the Ralph Lauren Romance as well, even with the topper there. This stuff makes a great gift. Like, how cute a Valentine's Day gift. Like, totally cute. Anyways, that's my haul. I didn't get much. Literally only spent like $34 or something. But I just wanted to share so you can see what they might have new and go for yourself. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos like this. And thank you again for watching.